Today feels like a good day for a cookout.
Yeah, absolutely. Hot, just so sticky, tropical amounts of moisture. Also pretty breezy out there as well. Most, if not all of us, are dry at this moment.
Sure.
Didn't see much in the way, just a few light showers, mainly up in Kentucky this morning. Scattered showers and storms will increase, though, through the afternoon and evening hours. Low and severe threat, even a low and flooding threat. In fact, everyone's now under a flash flood watch, Austin. So really, that's my number one concern. Some 2 to 3, maybe even 4-inch totals cannot be completely ruled out. But again, very mild right now. Started very mild. We only got down to 77 at McGee-Tyson, back up to 82 at McGee-Tyson, 80 in Maynardville, La Follette, 82 in Spring City to Athens, 84 in Tellico Plains. Pretty breezy, 15, 20, even I've seen up to 27 mile per hour wind gusts. That just continues to pump even more tropical moisture into our area as if it wasn't already very high the last couple of days. So more clouds starting to stream in across McLeod Mountain right now. Saw a decent amount of sunshine over the last couple hours, but noticing to our north and west, pretty large amounts of showers and storms with this low pressure well up towards the Great Lakes. Triggering these showers and storms, kind of the strongest over the Bowling Green area right now along the Tennessee-Kentucky border. 6 Predictor doing a pretty good job with tracking this to the east-southeast. So some of our southeast Kentucky counties likely see a bit of a downpour through around lunchtime or so. Most of us in East Tennessee, though, it's more like 1, 2, 3 o'clock. And even then, if you're south of I-40, probably missing out on this during the daytime hours. It's closer to the evening hours, still mainly along the I-40 corridor in the valley and the plateau. Once we get closer to midnight, then if you're south of I-40, you likely see a little bit more, but the bulk of it still staying kind of right in the middle of East Tennessee from Crossville to Knoxville. 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, we'll continue to see those training thunderstorms, which means they keep back building behind each other and moving off towards the south and east. Level 1 out of 5, low and severe weather risk. Damaging wind gusts really the main concern with this, but a very isolated risk, very low end risk. Brief isolated spin up can't be rolled up. Mainly across Middle Tennessee the way it's been looking, but the plateau can't be completely ruled out of that either. Level 2, medium risk of flash flooding. This is really my main concern. Flash flood watch has now been issued. Again, 2, 3, 4 inches not out of the question because we will see repeated rounds of rain this afternoon, this evening, and even into the overnight hours. Many of us could still see several rounds of showers and storms. That's because we're kind of in this northwest flow just to the north and east of the center of the high pressure. Lots of moisture in place that allows us to see kind of that counterclockwise or clockwise rotation around that high. Then notice what happens as we head into middle part of the week, Wednesday, Thursday, high pressure is right over us. That sinking air kind of puts a cap on the atmosphere, which means we continue to warm up, but the moisture doesn't go anywhere. We're talking about hot, hot, hot Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, mid 90s. Those are actual temperatures though. We're talking about with the high levels of moisture content, that tropical moisture doesn't go anywhere, Austin. Heat index values could be as high as 105, maybe even higher than that.
All right, Theo, thank you.